In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to get started with Pictory, one of the greatest places to start editing, no editing skills needed. So first, head over to the Pictory AI. You have the link down below in the description, guys, to get with a huge deal for a pro plan. So once you are here into the free trial of Pictory, I'm going to hit to sign in. To sign in, you're going to go for a Gmail account. You can go for a name, email account, as well as a passcode in order to continue. Now it's going to be asking us why you want to use the Pictory. This is totally optional. In my case, I'm going to monetize my YouTube content and start using the Pictory. Now we have enabled the trial activation. So now to get started, of course, here once you logged in, you'll see the Pictory dashboard. Let's close this. And you can create a video from scratch using a script. You can auto-generate one from a blog post or even edit an existing video. So for this tutorial, let's focus into creating a video using a text script. So let's go here for the option that says script video. Now here it says enter your video name and start typing here or paste your script using Ctrl+U+B. So for this particular process, I'm going to open a new tab and I'm going to be using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a tool that can be helping me to start creating scripts totally for free, and of course there's no charge here. So for example, you can ask the ChatGPT, let's say I want to talk about the benefits of playing video games in a YouTube video. So start making a quick script for this subject. And there we go. Automatically, it's going to be generating me a title, and here there is a script. So what I just need to do is to copy all of this generated information and paste it directly into the Pictory AI. And of course, enter your video name. So let's go for benefits of playing video games. So I have now my title and I have all my content. We can highlight elements, for example, here. Segment number 1, I can highlight this or not. In this case, I have the scene settings where I can customize my settings. For example, I can auto highlight some keywords, auto visual selection, and create new scenes on sentence breaks, line breaks, and whatever. Let's go for both. And scrolling a little bit down, you can see that we have 2,500 characters. So spell checked should be as yes. So I wanted to make sure that everything looks good, and then I go for proceed. Now, what the Pictory should be doing for us is to determine what we can do inside this application. Usually, it's going to be using the script, but using artificial intelligence to analyze what my subject is about, and automatically it's going to be generating me elements, pictures, photos, stock images, stock videos that I can use for the custom videos. So once you have chosen a style, the Pictory will automatically break your script into individual scenes, and it uses artificial intelligence to match relevant stocked photos and images to your text. This makes it easier than ever to create engaging visuals. So for example, here I have my story section. Let's close this. And of course, I'm going to hit now into get it because these are just watermarks. Now I have scene number 1 where I have the intro. Scene number 2 should be the cognitive benefits. Scene number 3 should be hand-eye coordination, motor skills, and much more. If you want to change from more layers, you can just click here into layers, and you can add more elements there. I think that this one actually works for me, so I don't want to focus there. Now into the visuals, you can change the visuals that you're seeing in here for library, background, uploads, and more. Let's, for example, select this element and check out how automatically the background should be replacing the other. And into audio, I can use one song that is applied, but I can change for something else. Let's just leave this as it is. Let's go for styles. And here into my styles library, here are the text styles that I can use for this particular video. If I choose, for example, this one, check out how automatically this one should be edited automatically. So I can go now into branding. This is of course the elements where you can just import your own logos, fonts, jump starts, and much more. Elements where you can just add stuff for your videos. Let's say, for example, that I just go and add in games, right? And here I can add this one into my scene, and I can move this here. There we go. Now I can just check out the format. Since this is for a YouTube video, then focus into 16:9 aspect ratio and a video resolution of 1080. Now that you have just checked out everything right, let's go for preview the scene and check out what we currently have so far. Now I'm going to add some voiceover into this generation. Once your scenes are ready, let's click into the preview to watch your video from start to finish. This is your chance to make any final tweaks like adjusting the text placement or timing for a smoother flow. So when you're happy with the final product,
let's kick things off with one of the biggest benefits.
Now I'm going to head over to download, pre-processing scenes, I generate the video and I go for continue. So I can hit into download. I can export my text as a TXT file, SRT or BTT in case I wanted to use this whole story, this whole video script, or to export the actual audio to make my project by myself. But I'm going to download the whole video and I'm going to check this out into the upper side. Once I have downloaded element, I'm going to click into and let's see what we got so far.
Intro, 0 o'clock to 0:10. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that gets debated a lot. Video games, segment 1. Cognitive benefits, 0:10 to 1:10. Let's kick things off with one of the biggest...
Now you can see that this actual video works really well, but I needed of course to delete the elements that appears, for example the intro. I needed to delete the instructions that I have here, for example segment number 1, cognitive benefits, and much more. If we were focused only into the script, I mean only the information of my video, but speaking about transitions, speaking about the images, the stock stuff that I'm using for this video elements, I think this one actually does a really well job. So that's how you create videos using Pictory AI. This is a fast and easy way to create professional looking content, guys. If this tutorial helped you, well, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos creation tips. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and well, hopefully like it, I'll see you next time.